This project should be undertaken with parental or adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Oh, I love K-pop demon hunters. They are so brave. Quick, take cover. Oh, shiver me shatters. That's enough TV for today. I'd better go lie down. Hold on. Since when did we have a pink toilet? And a purple beast, too? Hey, what's with the cactus? Oh, shiver me chatters. Oh no, did I just end up in the K-pop Demon Hunters universe? Sam, you really need to calm down. No way! It's Guima! Help me, somebody! Sue, the Guima! He is here!
Oh, Sammy, stay calm. The demon hunters always find a way to handle demons after all, right?
Now I'm curious, how is that supposed to help me? Should I hide behind the poster and pretend to be wallpaper?
If we draw them, they'll pop out and scare your fear away. It's like Doodle therapy.
Yeah, right. Doodle therapy. My ultimate weapon against bad guys.
All right, once you've calmed down, join in. In the meantime, I'll start by drawing Rumi's face.
Her braid is gorgeous, but I want to give it a brand new look. See? Stylish and tasty.
That's not hairdo, that's lunch.
Now, Rumi doesn't have to worry about brushing her hair. Fine, her hair looks kind of corny. Ooh, lunch!
Oh, Sammy.
Hello, Sam Picasso is here. I'm ready to create a true masterpiece.
Oh, Maestro, I can't wait to see what you'll create.
I'll draw Zoey and everyone will be amazed.
Then I'm ready to be amazed.
Behold. Meet Super Slime Zoey.
Maestro, I think Slime Zoey doesn't really look like Zoey.
I think you're right. Okay, I'll redo it.
Good luck. And I will draw Rumi's legs.
Let's see. Well, we don't need a fancy milkshake today. Or this baby hat.
Sam's being a bit too noisy. I hope our house is still in one piece.
Finally, a magic wand. Yay! Slimus, Slomius, slime. Ew! Must have mixed up the spell. Friggity, froggity. Frog? I need a new spell. Stat! Froggius, Removis, Slimus, Drawing Husk. Zoey, glad to see you.
Sammy, she's perfect. You did a great job. Now, I have to speed up and finish Rumi's outfit.
Thanks, Sue. Where are you at?
I'm already working on the costume details.
I gotta help Sue finish her drawing. Where's the red marker? Oh no, it's Guima! He's chasing me. Did you see that?
Who? What are you talking about? I don't get it.
Oh, come on! Guima, he is after me! We have to finish drawing our K-pop demon hunters, and fast! Finally!
Sammy, relax. I'm pretty sure Guima is just in your head.
Well, Rumi, welcome to Team Sam. Let's keep it rolling. Don't go anywhere, guys.
Oh, my feta Sammy, why so loud? Look at what your singing did.
Whoopsie. Retreat! Ouch! Huh? Hey, what's on my face?
Sammy, you look like Super Mario.
Actually, I think I look distinguished. Ouch!
Okay, it's time to start working on Mira's portrait.
And what is this? That's totally not what we need, Sue.
Well then, show off your talents.
On it! Nah, too elephanty. Nope, that's definitely not it. What if... Oh, I got it! Ta-da! Perfect!
How can anyone have ears like that? Bring me eraser.
Fine. So where is it? Ouch! Hey, who did this? Who threw the eraser
Guima, it's all your imagination.
What, really? Ew. I was really scared, you know.
Oh no! The ink's all gone!
Ninja Sam to the rescue! Karate kick!
Thanks! This marker is way better.
I'm setting this box trap to catch Guima and prove that he is very real. Come out, bad guy! Duh! Who touched me?
About that, a few final touches and our Mira is ready.
Help! Ah! Sue, you won't believe it, but Guima locked me in here.
Sammy, enough with this nonsense already. I already told you, you are just imagining things. There's no Guima. At least here. Let me finish this, okay?
Go ahead, and I'm gonna do some shopping on Wildcat Express.
Yes, please, do that.
Wow, Cat Express. How can I help?
I need a rainbow pencil, and fast.
Sure thing.
Whoa! Hey, do I know you? 1, 2, 3, slime magic in action.
That was fast. Mira's drawing is ready.
Our team is almost complete. Okay, I'm not scared of you, Guima. Do you hear me? Huh? What's that?
Relax. It's just a friendly prank. I was looking for my pencil.
All right, Sue. I'll get back at you. Whoopsie.
Oh, I'm so scared of what you're up to. I even started drawing Genu.
It's revenge time. I'll pick my favorite spell. Get ready, Sue. By the light of slime and ink, my power is pink.
Oh, my feta. How did this happen?
That was a close one.
So, that's your revenge prank idea, huh? Don't distract me, please. I'm just getting the hang of it.
Fine. I'll stay out of your way then.
Sammy, come on, stop pouting. Better help me here.
On it, Sue. Here's a little magic trick for you.
Wow, it is real magic.
Maybe it's time for a new hairstyle.
Why not? I like your makeover experiments. Maybe you will even look as mysterious as Mystery here.
Where did the light go? I can't see a thing. Guima, is that your doing? Sue, help me. Sue, where are you?
Sammy, just ditch that goofy wig, and you'll be back to seeing everything. Oh no, Mystery's bangs got out of place.
It wasn't me, it was Guima. He pulled down my wig and I couldn't see a thing.
Please return my marker and find something else to focus on, okay?
Okay. No more Guima. I'll take over drawing romance and Abby.
Oh, that's brilliant. This way we'll be done in half the time.
Here we go. Hey! What is this force trying to drag me away from my drawing? Guima, is that you? No, not my masterpiece. Hey, Guima, come on out. Where are you hiding? Oh no, my poor drawing.
Sammy, what's going on there?
Sue, Guima ruined my drawing. What do we do?
That's not Guima. It's just a draft from the window.
Wait. So it wasn't Guima? Just a silly old breeze?
Finally, you figured it out.
But what are we going to do with my ruined drawing then?
A little bit of magic will help us.
Wow, Sue, you could have done this the whole time. Why didn't you say anything?
I kept this secret for the grand finale. So, what about Mystery?
Oh, we'll fix that drawing in no time. Alrighty, the whole team is finally here. celebration.
Oh, thank you, Thistle.
Keeping things safe, one lily bud at a time. It's really fabulous. Yeah, absolutely. I know. I just can't believe it. What's everyone looking at? Do I have a ladybug on my nose? No, we're just excited to see you. Since you're in charge of the Fall Festival this year, and we can't wait to hear what games you have planned.
Even Thorn's excited.
Cap's right. I am. What? This is my happy face.
Chef Thorn is working on a special surprise for the Fall Festival. Oh, right. And surprise means don't tell anyone,
This is going to be the best Fall Festival ever! 3 cheers for Thistle! Hop, hop! Hooray! Thank you, Daffodil, but hold your cheers. There's still lots to do. Nothing can go wrong today. Not on my first Fall Festival. This is the Ribbon Circle, where we'll be awarding prizes for the games. I thought we'd surround the circle with autumn flowers in shades of orange, red, and yellow. How about some goldenrod?
Achoo!
And make people sneeze? Oh, thank you, Rose. Cap, please grow some orange mushrooms around the flowers. But without spots. Spots might make people dizzy. Thistle, Moss and I came up with an amazing new game. It's called Juggle a Grape. People will slip and fall on those squishy grapes. Thistle, we've had the Fall Festival for years, and nothing bad ever happens. It's all for fun. But I wasn't in charge then. I just want everything to be perfect. Rose, will you take over setting up the games, please? While I go home and wash off this squishy grape. Ugh.
Bucky, you are looking at pure perfection. So round, so orange, so...
Yummy when made into a pie?
Not for this pumpkin. When I get through, it's going to be a work of art. I'll be back with my tools.
Hello, breakfast.
Huh? Ellery, this pumpkin isn't for eating. Chef Thorn says it's going to be art.
Solid, fresh, pure perfection. Do you have a spoon?
But it's for the Fall Festival.
Rose, I knew I could count on you. Acorn in a basket. Only the most fun game ever invented. And here's the guess how many seeds are in the jar game. Fun and safe. This leaf tic-tac-toe game is even better than I dreamed. Thank you, everyone. It's perfect.
Molly! Hello, everyone! Oh, dear me, I must have taken a wrong turn. I meant to pop up underneath the dandelion patch, not here in your village in a circle of flowers. Am I in some sort of show?
It's the ribbon circle for our Fall Festival. It's a day of games and fun. Thistle's in charge.
Oh, well, don't mind me, Thistle. You carry on with your plans.
I really can't, Molly. Not with you in the ribbon circle. This is where we award our prizes.
Of course, I'll be going now. Though I enjoy a festival. Oh, I seem to be stuck. Not to worry. I'll just go back the way I came. Nope, can't go backwards either. Imagine a mole getting stuck in the ground.
But we were just about to start the festival.
I didn't know a vegetable could be this fancy.
A pumpkin is technically a fruit.
You know so much of everything.
I really do.
The chipmunk is right. It is a fruit. Now, could I have a little quiet, please? There's an artist at work.
Thorn!
Now what?
We need your help.
I'm in the middle of creating great art here.
But it's an emergency. The festival itself is in trouble.
Fine. Bucky, I'm leaving you in charge of my creation. Don't let anything happen to it.
You can count on me, Chef Thorn.
Ow!
Ellery, what are you doing in there?
Nothing. Don't get your tail in a tangle. I'm coming out. Oh, I think I'm stuck.
I'm not sure what you want me to do, Thistle. My speciality is cooking, not moles.
Just don't throw me in the soup pot.
Molly! I came as soon as I heard. Zinnier! Oh, thank goodness you're here. Can you and Spearmint pull Molly out?
I don't think so. When Molly's stuck, she's stuck. Maybe we should cancel the fall festival.
But what about all these fun and easy games? Like Acorn in a basket? Okay, not so easy. Don't forget this amazing game. Anyone care to guess how many seeds there are in here?
244.
All right, that was a little too easy. Daph, how about a game of leaf tic-tac-toe? Oh, I don't feel right playing games while poor Molly's stuck. Oh.
What a cozy circle. You know, this reminds me of the time I accidentally popped up in the middle of the Royal Toad's Midsummer Feast. It was a wonderful...
Thistle, don't go!
Surprises.
Are you okay, Thistle? I wanted my first fall festival to be perfect. But when Molly came, it changed everything. I know what you mean. Sometimes things don't go the way you planned, but they can still be fun. Please come back. Why, Rose? There is nothing for me to do anymore. Of course there is. You can help us think about how to get Molly out. Molly makes a game out of being stuck, but the truth is, no one likes to be stuck. A game? Rose! That's it!
That's it. You have messed up enough of my creations, Chipmunk. I need to chisel you out of there.
But you might accidentally ruin my beautiful fur.
That's a chance I'll have to take.
I can't look.
Stop!
What if we just roll the pumpkin down to the festival with Ellery inside? Like, he's the art.
What? And when everyone gets through gawking at this pumpkin art, what am I supposed to do? Live trapped in a pumpkin forever?
I don't have a better idea. Bucky, let's roll.
New game. It's called Tug of Molly. On the count of 3, everyone pull as hard as they can. Ready? But what if we fall into that mud? You get dirty.
Well, what if I sneeze when I'm pulling?
You sneeze. Lilybuds, there are always going to be a few problems, even when you plan perfectly. Molly, this year you are the festival. But let's get you out so you can play some games with us. 1, 2, 3.
Ow, ouch, ow, ow! Easy! Valuable chipmunk inside!
Harder! We can do it!
Ow, 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 ow!
Run away, pumpkin!
I'm sorry, Chef Thorne.
It's all right, Bucky. You didn't know the pumpkin would roll away. Ellery's probably going to chew his way out and fry up that pumpkin for dinner.
Thorne, you're a genius. Frying means oil.
I thought I'd be called a genius for my art project, not my grapeseed oil, but here goes.
Tastes delicious. Let's hope it does the trick. Could someone give me a hand? Oh my, it feels good to be out of there. Thank you.
Another new game? The slip and slide game? This is the best fall festival ever!
3 cheers for Thistle!